Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to load Xgameruntime.dll error code 126. And first thing to do, you can try to reinstall gaming service because Xgameruntime is a dynamic link library that refers to Xbox game service that already installed on your Windows 11. So you can try to uninstall and reinstall gaming service by pressing Windows and X and select Terminal Admin. And here you can copy the get strip appx package Microsoft.gaming service. You can try to hit enter for each command line. For example, would be like this, then enter. Next, you can update app from the Microsoft Store. You can open Microsoft Store and get updates, update all identified application and install them. And you can try launch the game again. And of course, you can repair and reset gaming service if you have a gaming service app on your Windows. And if you understand how you can modify registry entries, you can try it by expand the HK local machine system current control set service and try to locate gaming service and gaming service net. Right click on them and select delete one by one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.